Hey, this is Yoshi. I was gonna make a care collab video really quick, but then this came. This is from Todd. I already knew this. He told me that it's on its way. This is from Odom's Orchids, and I don't really. I've never actually ordered anything from Odom's, and I already know what it is, but I want to see what it's like, and it just got here. Pretty exciting. Oh, there's a care guide. Cattleya. Yes, that's what I'm getting. Apparently pronounced Cattleya. Okay, back to the subject. And yep, this is it. Pretty excited about this. Very packed very well. And Todd's channel, I'm gonna link his channel below in the description. I have a feeling pretty much all of you who subscribe me have already subscribed him, but if not, then you should. He's got all sorts of knowledge, especially Cattleya's, Vandas, well, in everything actually. Trees, really nice guy. Lives in Florida, but yeah, this is really good size. Look at it. Wow, this is really packed really well. I see a slow release, some sort of osmo coat in it already, but so that means all I have to do is just water. And it is Cattleya Sea Breeze Blue Ribbon. So it's Solarua type, which I love. It's blue.
Purple.
Blue.
Purple.
Blue.
Whatever.
My videographer today is my assistant. I broke my stand.
With your butt.
The camera stand. What?
With your butt.
No comment. But yeah, anyways, yeah, it's bloomed once here. So this is blooming size definitely. I have little thingy in this new growth, but it looks like a bifoliate and yet have some monofoliate here growing too. So I'm not really sure how it's gonna be, but this is some sort of a Macarenia. It doesn't say that, does it? No, it doesn't. I'm gonna put a description on the. I'm gonna put somewhere in here what is a cross of. This is a primary cross, if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna put the blooms and the what is cross of, and wow, what a good looking orchids. Very healthy. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Just a really quick unboxing video from Todd Tropicals.
And thank you, Todd.
Thank you, Todd. Yeah, aren't you excited too? You saw the picture, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty one. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.